All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking tool truck alternative, Bosch OTC. All right, a couple notes first off. Yes, I am sponsored by OTC and Bosch, same company. And on the other side of it, when I say tool truck alternatives, they're really not. Because a lot of the tools you buy on the tool truck are made by OTC. They really are tool truck tools that you can buy from other sources. You guys know I'm a big fan of the ADS 625 and the OTC Encore, and for an equivalent snap-on scan tool, it is way cheaper to get one of these tools comparatively. You know, obviously with the ADS 625, you don't get a scope. But for the money, I'd rather have this and a Pico than a Varus or a Zeus. I love their graphing. I can deal with OTC Bosch's graphing as an acceptable alternative to buying a, $14,000 scan tool with the Zeus. This is just an example. Now these are rebranded, I believe it's the Bosch side of it, are rebranded as Mac Tools scan tools. They're branded tools. Literally, same tool, just on the truck. Now some other options. More recent tool that Bosch came out with was this OTC 6977 Universal Cooling System Pressure Tester. I did a video on it. It's a pretty cool universal kit that goes through the hoses instead of through the cap, so you can test the entire system. This is rebranded by Matco. Pretty much anything I show you today has been rebranded or is rebranded. My OTC Hub Grappler is one of my favorite tools. It has made me a ton of money, well worth it for me to invest in, even though it was stupid expensive. It is stupid heavy too, but also makes tons of money for me. Makes doing wheel bearings almost enjoyable, almost. Other tools that you'll find rebranded on the tool truck. This little tool, GM Ecotec water pump holding tool. You will find it on the tool trucks under their brands, not OTC, even though that's who makes it. OTC Toyota cam tool, part number 6613. You'll find it rebranded. Some companies actually sell OTC by themselves as OTC, but you will find it rebranded. Their slide hammer kit, rebranded by multiple companies. Less so now. I have a Matco branded, that is from 04, 05 maybe, ball joint set. Guess what? It was made by OTC. Can't complain about it. It's been going a long time. You know, I did a review on these part number 6982 PMC OTC Professional Mechanics Collet Kit. I'm sure you'll find this rebranded on the tool trucks. Compression and leak down testers. A lot of the companies have rebranded them for years. The leak down tester 5609, you will find rebranded all over the place. Same with their compression gauges. I kind of sound like a OTC Bosch fanboy. I've spent a bunch of money with OTC and Bosch over the years. This is nothing new. If I wasn't sponsored by them, I would buy this. You know, I did a video a while ago talking about replacing tools if I lost everything. I would for sure replace the ADS 625 in a heartbeat as my go-to everyday kind of scan tool. I'd still get an Autel, maybe a Launch, but I would definitely replace that tool in a heartbeat. Chances are, over the years, you've used a lot of OTC made tools, even if the box said something besides OTC. So don't be afraid to get this stuff outside the tool trucks. I know my Mac and Matco guys that watch my channel don't like me saying that, but it's a fact of life. You want to save some money and get it the same tool, you can buy it on Amazon. Some links will be in the description. save some money, get the same tool. So definitely a great alternative to the tool trucks because you're literally buying the exact same tool. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. You want to see more videos like it, subscribe. Make sure and hit that bell notification so you get notified when I put out a new video. You don't like me talking about a company that sponsors me? Well, let me know in the comments. And as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.